in the first place, kisa may nagda sa guy nga responsible sa second batch.
Ibutan na ko nga ako igada sa guy. No? Pero I am not the person.
Who consummated it. Pero the root cause is you brought the guy. If you have not brought the guy, you think it will happen in second batch?
If you think na ako ang the root cause, ako ang root cause, guys. Ay, hindi dala na ko ang guy siya. Pala. You think na it is my fault all along.
No, I don't think it is my fault alone.
Dalaon ko na conscience in myself. I don't think na I have to carry that conscience. Why? If that guy and Minerva have never met,
Okay, kung kita lang ang tata,
ato lang lang na.
stop. Just stop for a moment, please. Stop.
Luway na talaga may bagay. Gusto
Malagi ba? Things
Ako ba nag-upil na ng second batch o mo siguro? Ako nag-upil sa second batch?
Handa yung tag-ihi anis.
wala may.
Ayun na tay. Later na lang pag kami lang.
Diba, kanang
We were only discussing about your one, di ba? Karang mga pasaylo sa imo.
Wala tagol ko ani ni Rosso, wala ko pundador. Nagana may privacy.
May inirusok po na ng hotel ako.
Pero what's privacy? Because privacy when you talk about things, mabugaw siya po sa gawas. Why not discuss it?
Mama din ang
Anyway, they will hit anyway later. What's to hide? I mean, our life is a public life.
ikaroon na pa ng high.
What's the right time? When all of us here can no longer hear it or can discuss it?